What's up, guys? Welcome back to another unboxing. Today I'm gonna unbox a Cars 3 package that I just found yesterday at my local Walmart. And before we get to start with this video, I had to say one thing. Sorry again, I haven't posted a lot because I still have school. But on June 5th, which is tomorrow, tomorrow's my last day of school, so I'm gonna do lots of posts. So I'll be ready for that. And also probably tomorrow I might do a vlogs. So I might show you like a little bit of vlogs, and then I might show you the yearbook. So I found the 3 packs of Gabriel and Aiden from the Rusty's Racing Center. So they're part for the 2018. On the back, you can see some other ones. Some other cars, and you can see right here it says the new Rusty's Racing Center features the latest in the racing trainer technology. And here are some of the others. There's 2 of them, and also you can get Rusty Rusties and Dusty Dusties. So let's unbox this. So how's everyone's day? Mine's is going great. So I can't wait for summer vacation. Summer vacation is going to be awesome. I'm so excited. So I'm really hyped for this. Okay, there we go. So we have Aiden and Gabriel. Now let's go by these cars. Now these cars looks familiar, so I love these cars. So let's start with Gabriel. Gabriel's looks fantastic of his art designs, and hold up, just give me a sec. Let me do a comparison to. Now let's do a comparison to Danny's Forest or Danny's. So they're technically the same, but the only difference, well, there's no difference. They're the same, but a little bit different is the rims. Because the rims looks like the same as the others, but I think it's still the same because this one has blue, this one has that. Now let's go by Aiden. He's another racer, and like he appeared in the scene when Cruz was like training them. I think I can't remember, but he's another trainer. And then let's compare him to Tim Tridless. So they look the same, and then their wheels are the same, and then their backs looks the same, but I don't see any difference. So they're great cars. So alright guys, so did you guys enjoy this video? Let me down comments below. Sorry I make this a little bit short because I know some of the ones took like 4 minutes or 5 minutes because I had to go to sleep because I had to go to school. So I'll be back with see you guys tomorrow, and watch tomorrow for my vlog, which might be coming tomorrow. So thank you guys for watching, and see you next time. Bye now.